Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from Simmons Essentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Bingwa knot. That is the Swahili word for champion. It's Super Bowl Sunday today as I make this, so champion in another language. That's the word, that's our word for the day. Let's go ahead and get started with the knot of the day. Left side at the belt line as usual. One tie this time, just put in a fold, however you want to do it. And I'm going to come over here and bring this up and over. We're going to come around here, we're going to tighten it like that. We're going to come down like so. We're going to fold it in half like this. Come around that side. Come around this side. We want to make a trophy shaped handle there. Fix that. That was bothering me. Alright, so then what we're going to do is we're going to keep it folded in half. And we're going to come across the top. Actually, we're not going to do that yet. We're going to come around across the bottom. We're going to go one. We're going to go twice. Like that. We're going to come through here like this. We're going to open up this here. Okay, it's looking like a trophy. And then what I just simply want to do is I want to come across the top. Let's fold it in half and put it underneath here. And there we have that. So then what I want to do is I want these to be out. Where it kind of looks like a trophy handle. And then we have this. So you can see that there's the trophy design and this is just extra there. So there you have your knot. On your side, my friends, you're beautifully wonderfully made. Check this tie knot picture out on my Instagram at SimmonsEssentials. We'll see you in the next video. Peace and God bless.